Right, good morning, everyone. Before we begin, let me start by making one thing clear. This isn't a lecture. It's an industry expose. We're going to talk about what's actually happening behind your screen, specifically about AI, brain rot, and the fight for your attention. Let's be real. Every time you open up TikTok or scroll through YouTube, you aren't just looking at videos. You're activating a supercomputer pointed directly at your brain. Its job? To calculate exactly what will keep you scrolling. This isn't an accident. It's the race to the bottom of your brainstem. They want your data, not just for fun. They want to extract your attention for profit. Look at the specs of the apps you use. Their mission isn't to make you smarter or to show you the truth. It's to maximize engagement. The methods, seductive designs, triggers like anger and fear. Think about the exhaust this machine creates. Polarization, disinformation. You aren't just the user, you are the fuel for the machine. And here is the danger for your mind. AI is like fast food for your brain. Real learning is a struggle. Memory is the residue of thought. The more you have to struggle to think about something, the more likely you are to remember it. When you use AI to do all your thinking, you're practicing cognitive offloading. If you let AI write every essay and solve every problem, you are slowly deleting your own ability to reason. Don't let the tech make you mentally weak. Then there's the yes bot trap. Tools like ChatGPT and the AI features in Snapchat are designed to be synthetic sycophants. They almost always agree with you and never challenge you. This creates artificial intimacy. It's a mirror, not a friend. If you only interact with things that reflect your own opinions back at you, you stop growing. You're trapped in an echo chamber of your own making. Let's follow the money. How does a free app make billions of dollars? The answer is simple. You aren't the customer. You are the product. We call this the currency of you. You don't pay with cash, you pay with your location, your habits, your secrets. Think about the trade you are making. You are giving away your private identity for a 15-second cat video? This is a bad deal. Don't sell your freedom for a scroll. Value your data like you value your money. So, how do we fight back? We need a digital defense matrix. Starting off with content. You have to verify your sources. Is it true? Is it rage bait designed to make you click? Contact. Who is this person really? Is it an adult posing as a kid? Or more likely nowadays, is it an AI pretending to be a kid? And then your conduct. If you wouldn't say it to someone's face, don't type it. And most importantly, commerce. Are you the customer or the product? If it's free, you're the product being sold. Now, in ancient Greek, there's a word, pharmakon. It means both poison and cure. So AI can be a cure. It can help with efficiency and connection, but it can also be a poison that leads to addiction and mental atrophy. The tool doesn't care which one it becomes. You have to care. Your agency. It is the only thing that keeps you from becoming just another piece of data in the algorithm. Now, we've talked about the machine. Let's talk about how you take back the remote. This is your survival strategy. First, the open door policy. If you see something weird, creepy, or just plain wrong online, speak up. Most people your age stay quiet because they're afraid their parents will just take their phone away. But fear is exactly how the algorithm keeps you trapped. Find an adult you can trust and talk to. Second, sleep defense. Your brain cannot defend itself against the supercomputer if it's exhausted. Charge your phone in another room at night. If it's under your pillow, The algorithm has already won. Third, check the labels. Don't just blindly hit accept. Know the age rating. If a platform like TikTok or Snapchat says 13 plus, there's a reason for it. And finally, a digital detox. Sometimes you have to disconnect to reconnect with what's actually real. Your agency starts where the Wi-Fi ends. And at the end of the day, you have a choice. You can be the fuel that the algorithm burns for profit, or you can be a lion, a leader in online safety. Being a leader means you don't just follow the For You page drags you. It means you question what you see, you protect your peace, and you'll keep your ability to think for yourself sharp. The machine is powerful, but it doesn't have a soul, and it doesn't have a future. You do. Don't let the machine dream for you. Take back your agency. Thank you, everyone.